Congratulations, you've officially been onboarded with Thinking Nation. Welcome to our team. Our login page is app.thinkingnation.org. Once you're there, you will see that there is an option to sign in with the district. If you click on the drop-down, you'll notice that there are many districts listed here. Find yours and click the Sign In button. This will prompt you to go through your school or district's authenticator to be able to use your teacher email to log on to your portal. Once you're logged on to your teacher portal, you'll see that your classes are listed on the left-hand side with an overview of each of those classes on the right-hand side. To access an individual class, just click on the name of that class. You will see that your students' names are listed there with any other resources that have been assigned to that class period. If no resources have been assigned to that class period, just click the black resource button in the top right-hand corner. You are able to peruse resources for any topic that we have before actually assigning them to your classes. Once you've decided what you're going to assign to your class, you're going to choose that resource and you're going to click the button that says Assign. From there, you will be prompted to assign to one class. You can go ahead and set your configurations, your start and due date. You can now choose what pages you would like to assign to your students by selecting or deselecting pages. The last thing to note is the AI essay detection, which can be toggled on if you wish to use that as a resource. Once those configurations are set and you assign it to that class, that resource will be available to the students when the start date is active.